Hello, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well during this quarantine for the COVID-19. Today, I'm going to make chicken salad. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put my gloves on and move these little snacks here. Hopefully you can see, I've got we had some barbecue done out on our smoker. My husband did some ribs and some chicken. So the chicken is what I'm going to use for my chicken salad. So it has been smoked on the smoker. I forgot to do that. Okay, so I have a cutting board here. So I'm going to put this chicken out here. And I'm just going to debone it. This is a whole chicken. And I'm going to get it all off the bone. And hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here. I love to make chicken salad with smoked chicken. I don't know if you guys have ever had it that way. I mean, if you just have like a chicken baked in the oven, you can do that too. We just happened to smoke some chicken yesterday, and you know, this is what I'm going to do with the leftovers. If you have, you know, chicken that you baked in the oven, you can use that. Any kind of chicken. I'm just going to get all this in here. I actually have 2 whole chickens. This one is the one that we ate some of it last night. You gotta get the dog. Today is Sunday, and my house gets very busy. My animals are all over the place. We have a Labrador. His name is Hunter. He weighs about 120 pounds. He's a big boy. And he is, I believe Hunter's heading 10 or 11 years old now. And then I have 3 pugs. I have a female pug. Her name is Mia. She is my daughter Marissa's dog. So she is 3 years old. And then we have Diesel, which he is 2. And he's kind of my husband's dog. He started out to be Miranda's dog, but I don't know. Him and Tim have this bond, the 2 of them. They're like peas and carrots. So, and then my 3rd pug is named Tito. And he is 1 year old, and he is Miranda's dog. So, my house is pretty busy. My husband owns a business, so I work here at home and take care of the house. You know, all the responsibility of around here is mine. And so it's very, very busy. I don't really get a lot of quiet time. When I do get a lot of quiet time, I like to work on either my YouTube channel or you know, some kind of relaxation. Okay, so I got this one pretty much done. Okay, so let me get, of course I have an audience over here with the dogs. They are just loving the fact that I am over here playing with chicken. They're funny. Okay. And I put these gloves on. I buy these food service gloves from Sam's. They're so handy for your house, you know, especially when you're working with smoked foods, because your hands will smell all stinky. And bless you, Hunter. So I use these to play with this because, like I said, the smoked smell can kind of linger on your hands. And this will take me a few minutes to do this. And then I kind of just try to make sure it's not too big of pieces, but I'll kind of go back in there when I'm all done and just kind of tear it and make sure it's of the size we want. If you want to do just breasts, like sometimes I'd like to do the half chicken breasts, you know, that have I think they call them breasts with back. You know, it's kind of got the bones in it, and it has like a layer of skin. Those are really good to bake and get really good flavor out of it for chicken salad. So if I'm just gonna bake my chicken, that's usually what I do. I mean, but you can get a whole chicken, whatever you want. So I definitely miss traveling. I know all of you do too. I'm sure I'm not alone. I have a cruise booked for July 31st, and it is my Alaskan cruise that I was supposed to do in June. And when they canceled that, we scheduled it for July, but I'm hoping that it's still going to be going on. I don't know. We'll have to see what's going to go on, but that is my next cruise that is booked. Okay, so I've got some chicken done up here. I think this is pretty good. I'm going to keep this white meat for my daughter so she can have that. Actually, let me take off these. Oh, I forgot to mention I do have I have the campground book. We're supposed to go camping for the 4th of July. We go camping every year at Disney's Fort Wilderness for 4th of July, every single year. And it's going to be really sad if we don't get to go because, gosh, my daughter, who is 21 years old, we've been going since she was 3. So we go to Fort Wilderness every year. And we used to go sometimes twice a year. But here the past, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, I think now we've been doing it we've been going for the 4th of July because Miranda's my July baby. But with COVID-19, I'm not really sure what's going to happen. So, yeah, this is April, so we'll have to see what happens. For Christmas, Miranda said we could go. Well, we'll just have to see. Everything's kind of... Yeah, everything's kind of when, we just don't know. We just do not know. So anyways, I've got this chicken done, guys, and I'm going to put this little guy back in my bag because I'm going to keep that for Miranda. And I'm going to get this to the garbage before I drop it. See all the mess on my cutting board, guys? Could you imagine if that was on my hands? Ugh. Okay, so in my chicken salad, I like to get some red onion and dice that up. Okay, my sink is right here, so I can kind of throw all my garbage in there. Anyways, so I'm gonna get some red onion. Give it a little dice in. And then we will throw it in the chicken salad. Let me kind of move down. Can you guys see me? I hope so. And you can make your choice of how much onion you want. I'm going to use about a half of one, and this is about a medium-sized onion. If you don't want onion, don't put it in. But we are a house that likes onion. Unless I have my sister over. Well, I take that back. I shouldn't say we're a house that likes onion. My husband and I do. We like onion. Miranda's not an onion fan. But she doesn't eat chicken salad. So, but anytime I make something that takes onion, and if someone doesn't like it, I'll make, you know, a little bit of whatever I'm making without it. So, but that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I have in there. Okay, I think that'll be good. Now what I got here is I'm also gonna put some celery because I like celery in mine. And I just bought these bags at Publix. They are already washed and cut. Makes it a little easier. And they're great for snacking. But I'll probably use about 3 of these. Not too much. So let's start with 3. I'm just gonna take these little ends off because they don't look too good on the end. I'll just move the... Okay, now I'll give these a chop. Hopefully you guys can see me. I'm really new to this. I've never really done recipes with you guys. But I thought I've got to find a way to connect because we're not traveling. And I like to cook. I love to cook. I cook a lot. So I just figured I'd start sharing some things with you guys. Okay, so I have my vegetables cut up. I'm just going to do, like I said, the onion and the celery. Let me grab my salt and pepper. Some salt in there. And I kind of just do pinches. And I'm going to do some pepper. About 2 pinches. Okay. Some dried parsley. Now, usually I like to get fresh parsley, but I haven't been able to find any in our grocer here lately. But dried is fine, and I haven't been wanting to spend too much time in the grocery store trying to look for parsley. So we are going to use what we have on hand, and that is dried parsley. So I'm also going to put a tiny bit of garlic powder in here. So I have regular garlic powder, and I'm only going to put a little bit, guys, just a tiny bit, because this is really strong. So just like a little pinch, you know, a little between my fingers. I don't want to overpower it because it can tend to be pretty strong. Then I'm going to get me some mayonnaise, guys, and of course I use the Hellmann's with the olive oil. You can use whatever you want. Whatever makes you happy, use it. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons to start out. And I'm just gonna kind of start incorporating this and see what it looks like. Sometimes, you know, I like it. It's really personal preference. If you don't like a lot of mayonnaise, then, you know, just put what you want in it. As you get to know me, you'll realize that I am one of those. Hold on, I have to get that skin off. I do not like chicken skin in my chicken salad. Sorry, guys, for the fingers. But actually, I'll just throw it in the sink. That's a no bueno. We don't like skin in our chicken salad. Anyways, I need some more, okay? So I'm gonna do another tablespoon. You may find that you don't like a lot in yours. You know, whatever you like is what you should do as far as how much mayonnaise to put in it. Because everybody likes it differently. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil, and I'm just a couple drizzles. I have one of these little, this is what I use. I use a squeeze bottle. So I just did a few little drizzles in there just to kind of get it all together. And a few more drizzles. Okay. Just until it's, you know, like I said, I don't have, you know, measured out recipes, guys. So you just put what you think, you know. Okay. I usually put cranberries in here, but I don't have any on hand. But usually I will throw dried cranberries in here, and I'll do maybe 1/4 cup of them. But I don't have any. So today we are not going to have them. So this is it, guys. This is my chicken salad. And I am going to put it into another container. And that's about, so I used about 5 tablespoons of mayo in here. Like I said, if you want to do less, you can. I did 3 of these little stalks. They're like maybe 2.5 inches long or so. 3. All right, and then I'm gonna throw him in a, or throw this in a clean dish here, guys. Okay, and that, my friends, is my smoked chicken salad. When you put this in the fridge, I cover it and I put it in the fridge when I'm done with this. When you go to serve it, if it is a little dry, you can either put a little bit more olive oil just drizzled on and kind of mix it up, or you can put some more mayonnaise. Whatever your preference is. And that is it, folks. This is my smoked chicken salad. And I hope you like it as much as I do. And I will garnish it with a little more pepper, some dried parsley, and a little bit more salt. And that's it, guys. This is my chicken salad. Bye for now.